I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, welcome back to another edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today's edition, we've got something exciting. I've got a new light above me, the fluorescent light, so the light isn't as bad as it normally is. Today's project is time sensitive. It's like 12:30 in the afternoon. I have to be somewhere at 8 p.m., but before I can even leave for that place, I have to have that project done. The project is trophies. 3 trophies, to be exact. You might not tell, but with the long hair, you might think, that guy might be interested in music. Well, I am interested in music, and despite being interested in music, I like to go to karaoke. Karaoke is horrible. The people can't sing, I can't sing, nobody can sing, but we have a good time. Well, tonight's edition of karaoke is at a bar that's been closed for 7 months because a car crashed into the front of it, caused a lot of structural damage to the building, and took them forever and ever to get through all the red tape to get the place open again. And it's the very first night for karaoke again. So we're having a big party, there's going to be lots of games and prizes, and I thought, you know what? Make some trophies, Kip. The trophies are going to be, you rock a little, you don't rock at all. So let's get started. Okay, here we are at the wood rack, and as most projects start, they start here. But I don't know what I want to build for sure, so I'm going to grab a bunch of random stuff I think might be useful. This terrible shelf someone bought that I refused to hang up. I think I'll cut that up. Maybe this piece of plywood. That's not what I want. Oh! I like this 1x4. And let's see, I need something big and chunky, and I know where it's at. Or I knew where it was at. Oh, I cut it up. Let's take these 2 pieces of 2x4 then. Okay, what I need is, I need a base for all of them. Then I want some sort of pedestal for it to sit. And then on top, I'm going to put the rock a little, don't rock at all emblems. And I'm thinking maybe glue some of this stuff together to make a base that will sit on a pedestal. And then on top of that, we'll have the prize. So let's see what we can get out of this stuff. Okay, now we have our 3 bases. These will be glued together and used for pedestals. Okay, while the pedestals are drying, let's try to dress up these edges for the base. Okay, it's not the prettiest thing I've ever done, but with just a little bit of sanding, I can make it look a little better. Okay, I'm going to do a little light sanding to clean up some of these edges. I don't want them to look perfect. I want them to look beat up and weird because it's just a joke for the karaoke show tonight. Okay, it's been a couple hours almost, and I'm in a hurry, so I'm just going to pop these out of clamps. So I guess I will trim off the ends and use the table saw to square them up and get them to size. Okay, I haven't decided how long I want these. It doesn't really matter. Just want to make them 3 different sizes and lengths. So, we'll start by squaring up the ends. Yeah, I think those 3 will do it. Okay, so now I'm going to do some rounded edges on these because they're kind of sharp and they look kind of weird. And I might try to round over the top too while I'm at it. So, let's get started. Okay, so here we are. I've got all the edges rounded over. Not too bad, a little sanding. And then we'll glue it onto the base. Okay, so we've got the 3 of them sanded, so let's get them glued to the plates. Okay, so now I decided to drill through the bottom of the plates and the bottom of these pedestals, so I could use nail or screws to hold them together while they dry, because I want to be able to get the finish started on these as soon as possible. It's already after 2 in the afternoon, and I have to have these ready by 7 or 8 tonight. So, let's get them put together. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Let's get a little bit of crappy finish on them. Okay, this finish I'm using is some old Minwax penetrating stain, Golden Pecan 245. Found it sitting on the staircase as you walk into my house. Don't even know where it came from. So we'll just use it. Okay, I've let these dry as long as I feel like letting them dry. So now I'm going to use my least favorite tool in the world, the hot glue gun, and adhere the little trophy heads on here. There is a rock, and here we shall put a much larger rock. But of course on this one gets nothing because it doesn't rock. Alright, so we've got all of our trophies finished here. We've got the You Rock trophy, the You Don't Rock As Much trophy, and the You Do Not Rock At All trophy. Thanks for watching.